Hi everybody, it's Tracy from Who is Tracy. Just here to show you how you can turn any outlined alphabet stamp set into an ombre alphabet, similar to that of the newly released Ombre Alphabet from Altenew. What you're going to need is an outlined alphabet stamp set. The one I'm using is from Clear and Simple Stamps. You're also going to need an ink and pen that are an identical or almost identical match in color. Play around with it on some scraps cardstock or scratch paper to see if you can find a combination that works for you. What I'm using today is Memento Tuxedo Black ink and a Copic multi-liner in black. On the particular white cardstock I'm using today, these are an identical match for me. What we're going to do is first lay out and stamp your sentiment. I just used a pencil line to help me align everything. And then after the sentiment's stamped, we're going to go back in with a pen and we're going to make horizontal lines to create that ombre effect. I really recommend you play around with it on some scrap paper first to get the hang of drawing the horizontal lines, see how you like them spaced. I did a few versions of practice first before I filmed this video. I'm starting about halfway up on my letters. You can start higher or lower depending on the type of script that your alphabet stamp is. And then you're just going to make lines that get closer together the further towards the bottom of the letter you go, eventually filling into a solid color. Play around with it and see what works for you. Like I said, you can do this in different colors if you find an ink and pen that match. You'll be surprised at how easy this is, and it's kind of fun. And best of all, it saves you $15 or $16 because you don't have to buy a new stamp set. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it.